Do you have a human hair wig that is down in the dumps? Well, I have good news for you. You can transform it with a brand new lace frontal. Girl, this wig is not giving anymore. Do you see that lace? And all the holes in it? Look at the holes in that lace. I can literally see through the lace to the camera. This is really bad. So this is a wig I've had for a long time. And she is been many different colors, many different iterations. So I don't know why I decided to bleach the knots, but I took a chance and it really just fried the hair and so much fell out. So today I'm gonna show you how to replace the frontal on your human hair wigs. So if you're feeling like your wig is done and you can't do anything with her anymore, I have great news for you. You can replace the frontal on your human hair wigs. By replacing the frontal, you get a brand new wig. I mean, basically brand new. It is the same hair on the cap, but you're adding a brand new frontal with uncut lace. It's perfect. It'll make you feel like you just replaced your wig with a brand new one. So some people probably are daunted by this task. It's really quite easy, so let's get into it. So here I have a brand new 613 frontal. You can see right here, 13 by 4 inches. So here is my frontal. She's gorgeous and she's ready to be turned into a wig. So of course I'm going to need to color match this frontal to match this sort of bright ginger color. That should be quite easy. I'm just gonna dip dye it using Adore dyes. And that's just gonna make it so it all blends together seamlessly. All right, so now I have dyed the brand new frontal. She looks gorgeous. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove this old frontal. So I already started cutting the lace frontal off in a reel for clickbait. This part seems scary, but it's really not that big of a deal. So you're literally just gonna be cutting along this line. So now we have the old wig cap with just the bundles and the old mangled frontal. Girl, this is trash. This is still good. So all we need to do next is sew the new frontal onto the old wig cap. This is really, really easy. I would say maybe even easier than sewing bundles into your wig. If not, just the same. I am using a blonde thread so you guys can see. However, I definitely recommend finding a thread that best matches your wig. So in terms of sewing, what you're gonna want is just a very simple kind of whip stitch or whatever stitch you would use to sew in a bundle to a wig. So you're gonna anchor your stitch, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull the curved weaving needle through both pieces and then through the loop. So you make a little loop and then it kind of goes through. It's kind of easier to watch than for me to explain. Make sure to double or triple knot and anchor both sides. So you want to anchor the beginning of the stitch and then the end of the stitch. All right, dolls, well here she is fully installed. I just did a little lace tape at the center and a little spray just where the lace is exposed. But if this was a full bang look, I wouldn't have done that, but I wanted to make sure you guys could see the lace since I did replace the frontal. I'm really loving how this wig came out. She really kind of became a new woman, didn't she? So, you know, I'm wearing holiday stuff because I'm filming some holiday content. So if you're watching this in like the summer and wondering why, that's why. You're probably just watching this a lot later. So here is that old mangled frontal, girl, and once again I am throwing her in the garbage and I am not reaching back for her ever again. Alrighty dolls, I hope this tutorial was helpful. I know there's a lot of people out there wearing human hair wigs, and girl, the lace gets worn. It just happens. Knots come loose, things tear, things rip, you put a hairpin in and you make a hole. It happens, and that's what happens when you wear a wig a lot. So it's a really useful tool to have in your tool belt to know how to replace that frontal, because it'll help you save so much money and it'll help you revive a wig that you love to being brand new. Alright dolls, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you can find some joy in reviving some old dusty wigs. So definitely make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Please, please, please. It makes a huge difference to me. You'll get a notification every time I post. If you want more tutorial, I post so much short form content on TikTok and Instagram, both at Shop Will Beauty. And of course, you have to check out my store, shopwillbeauty.com. I sell custom human hair wigs. I sell wig glues, lace tapes, whatever. If it helps you attach your wig to your head, I probably sell it. I also sell lashes, makeup, nails. I sell pretty much every beauty product you could think of. So shopwillbeauty.com for all of your beauty needs, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Toodles!